Hello, my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama. How una dey? I greet the house. Also, una dey enjoy yourself. I want to talk about something, my sisters there, my brothers there, about all this church. About this church. Me, I believe say na only Nigeria. Na get fake pastors. I don't know, say still there for other Africa country. E get one video, this pastor, dey flog a member wey not pay off, whether I don't know, wey not pay offering wey dem dey pay. If you see flogging, they flog them anyhow. The thing, I can't say, oh God, wetin dey happen? Why we black we just put church for head? Even the Oyibo way make us know say church they exist. They no put am for head like that oh. Because if you go Igbo church, you just get rest of mind. They no put am for head. If you go Igbo church, if you too take for there, you go spend 30 minutes. But for a while, we go say we will cast demon. We now so we dey cast the other one. Now so we want miracle by force go come. Now wow. Now why, especially and people, all those people when they go church, not be all of them, some of them, if they do something, you go even they ask yourself, say, so this one, you go say they still they go church. But when church in Onajo, which kind of church this one they go? You they ask yourself. So, some of them, me I don't see. No be say tell me, make I tell you. This person, don't back church. If they do something, and that person then go ferry the church. Then they do fasting, but if you do something for your eye, you go really they ask yourself, yeah, on our way in the church that way church in Onajo, because some people, they make person they know say some people they want make them go church. But if you can't see some character where some people they do, hey, you go say nothing go make you make you ready, say you want go church. Like me, I know they go. And it's house now they go my, because anywhere where you call your God, they must hear you. Not be say you back carry Bible, you go church. When if you do something, person go even the thought say, this one not they fear God. Now this kind of person, they run, they go church. A pastor go they flog people just because they not pay their tithe when they want pay a bill, they not pay off. I don't know what they pay for them. Oyibo, they not they pay anything. Oyibo, you not pay anything. Now only you want go pray, you carry your candle for there, you go light candle. Maybe a candle where you want buy, you put money for inside, you take one candle, you light them, you pray for yourself, pray for person where you want pray for, you come up for there. Oyibo, they not get time. This kind thing, even we the black, we the Africa where carry the church put for head. See our country as it be. Oyibo where they not carry and put for their head, their country now ga. Why it be like that? Because all these pastors where they see, all of them are fake. Maybe one or two, now free for inside. Maybe one or two, now free for inside. Now make me, I'll just see some pastor, I say, oh, may God forgive you your sin. Me, I don't see pastor. Me say, tell me, I tell you, I know a gang. This pastor, if you see a church, if you see a church, now so he fool people where they go there. But this pastor, he get mama, he don't know whether mama go eat. He get mama. When the mama go sit down, this one are just short story. Don't be saying a person tell me. This one, a person where I know, when I go even they look and say, see you, now you they preach for people. But you with your family, una know they play. Which kind pastor you be? You with your brothers and sisters, una not get play. But if he preach finish, if he preach finish, if you with person get problem, you say you want to go settle with that person. But he with his brothers and sisters, they not get good relationship. When the mama go sit down for your house, as a child, the mama go there, go stay. He drive your mama for house. Many things there when me know they like me, I say I want go church. If I just they see, I'll say, you wait, call yourself, say you be man of God. You they do this kind of a thing. Me wait can't be member. What you say me can't they do? Wetin you wan come teach me? Your own mother, your mother. You no know whether you go eat. You no know whether this one not be say na person na maybe na person where I know with my 2 eyes. And na that Nigeria na did that Benin. I just say, you see your church as a fool, but your mother, if your mother dey hospital, you know where you no care. Now your sister na dey care. Na your sister na dey care. This one not be say they say na person where I know with my crocodile eye. A old pastor, you call yourself say you be pastor, man of God. Then later you come dey preach say this one and that one. Let make all this let make cause many things they will make that Africa no better. Because they too do bad. They call themselves man of God. Which kind of man of God you be? Which one you be? Which one you be? A pastor, they will just carry something. They will say, because people where mumu pass, now those people where they go. Now those people where they go there. You they go church. The church not they teach you anything. Wetin they teach you now, wetin not supposed to they teach, now they teach you. Wetin they go they do for them. You don't come no say this one not be the real man of God. Because our people they believe in miracle. Miracle they there. People they wrong go they go there. And if they don't hear say miracle, now so they will just they wrong. If miracle really there, that our country for don't better well. It not there. It not there. When they show many things, when they show, because all those people where their brain they leak, now then they show, now then they run, they go. They run, they go. And so the miracle they there. I want go there. I want go wash church. I want go clean now. They will just they run. What you they run for? They don't wash their brain. They don't wash them with bleach. They bleach everything come out. So waiting they come they talk. Waiting the pastor will come they talk. They go they enter their brain. Normal person will talk to them. They no agree here. Now waiting that pastor talk. Now be the real one for them. The old pastor, the flog. If you see flogging, if you see flogging, I say, oh God, that means not be only our country. Now this yama still there on that country. But then na Ghana or I be na Kenya. I not can remember the country again. See flogging when they receive better one. Now wow, I can't go church. May they go they flog me. I not sit down for my house. Me I dey pray. No where God no go for hear person prayer. Now wow, my brothers and sisters, all these our people, they go get brain, may they take come up for them. They don't get brain. Tomorrow, before their pastor say tomorrow morning we must do fasting and prayer. They don't run reach there. They don't run reach there. Now wow, God though, may God go really help those people. Where they don't wash their brain. They really wash them. They really wash them. And now so you come, because me believe say waiting they preach all these bad things where they preach. Now it makes some of their member, if they do certain thing, you way they normal, you come they imagine say this person and this person at church now they go. You know they miss any Sunday. You know they miss where they want to do fasting and prayer. You know they miss her. You go come they ask yourself which type of person be this one, because their pastor wetin they preach for them. Now another thing they preach for them. Now another thing, because now make they come their brain come it can't turn upside down. Can't turn upside down. Like another video where I still watch about this pastor. I'm not gonna remember what they say he do, or be confess or something like that. They do the video. This pastor, whether they send people, make them go they kidnap people or something like that. I'm not gonna remember. He remember when the pastor even reach Africa. He remember now they say they're innocent. They say they're innocent. All of them they run, they follow and say na innocent. What did they just see for video? The way when the man they talk. Person where he send way now wow, where shall may God help that our Africa country, because now make nyama too much, because and our people our people, anything wey dem just see na so dem go just dey run. Na miracle, the thing dey work. This church really dey see vision dey there. Na so dem dey do this one, dem just dey rush dey go. May God help those people, really. May God help them, because miracle, me I no know whether miracle dey. Call your God, he go answer you. Call am with your clean heart. No be say you dey call God, your mind no clean. You just dey do bad go. God no go answer that prayer. Lie, no dey answer those prayer. They answer prayer where you call am with your clean heart. No be say you go dey do bad for corner. You dey plan evil for another person. When you don't plan evil, you can't call Baba God, come help me. It no help you, because if your mind not clean, God not go help you. Don't plan evil to anybody. And that one I be God. And that one I may believe. Now we not be still God. Now we not be God, because God not there for heaven. May you go touch him. Now we human being. Now we not be God. Now we not be still be devil. It's just the truth of the matter. So now make some Oyibo that they go church, but they not carry and put for head like that. They believe they not carry and put for head. Better wow. We just ukoki and our kuen our temu just put them for head. Just they carry they go. Just they carry they go. We too believe, and the fake one I many pass. Few na be real one where they really they preach, where they do something, where they do good. Like this one where me talk just now. This one where me just know for, I don't know her for us. I don't know her. Not be say na person tell me. If you see church for that Benin, wado he no. He mother, he don't know whether he go drink water. Mother way born. He don't know whether he go drink water. But in they preach, carry Bible they preach. Now wow, that make me, if I see some pastor, if they just they preach and say, God, what you be they preach, whether not true, whether not be true, because inside your mind, hey God, now only God know what he did there. Only God now know what he did there. And nowhere where you for call Baba God, we not go answer. You wouldn't say you there for a side toilet. Call him with your clean heart. And planning it down he must answer you. But if you they do evil, they go, they do bad, they go. You not go answer that kind of prayer. You not go answer that. You see your person where better pass you, just because he better pass you. Not be say he move better pass you, guess something pass you, because me I believe say nobody better pass me. Me I not still better pass anybody. But just because he gets something pass you, you know, see you just come. No. That kind of person, if they pray, God will never answer you lie, because he not go answer you. Even though say you from today go do fasting and prayer for 30 days. Answer prayer ni. Answer. Ya do your own. Because that make me who don't say you get 10 houses and not get. I say thank God for your life. Now so me I be. Thank God for your life. Because some people they'll just because you say you get this thing, they'll just start to hatred don't come. And that kind of person, how God go to answer your prayer? You know if he answer you now. No fit answer you, because your mind no settle. Your mind no clean to other person. You no clean at all. So my brothers and sisters, I be believe say na only Nigeria na fake pastor there. I no know say still dey other Africa country. Now wow. Now just little while, I just still drop the thing. Surprise me as I see the video now. I say this one don't be Nigeria na Africa country for there, whether na Ghana, be na Kenya, no come know. So they're still there for this side. I make me down. Now wow. Just a little one. I just say make I just talk because say miracle there, miracle here, but na little one, I be real miracles. Those one where they do anyhow, those one not be miracle at all. How you go say you the flog devil? You want flog devil, they'll just carry cane, just dey beat ground. They'll say they flog devil. And at that time when we dey small, that time they will say make we dey mash, they mash devil, say devil dey for inside ground. Now that time when we never know what they do. Yeah. So from Untouchable Mama, my brothers and sisters, one love, Mona. I greet everybody. Now do well for watching our video, for subscribing, for sharing, for putting like, for putting dislike also, no problem. Please don't put bad comments. Now that one I not like, because I dey block. I be that kind person. If you see the video where you not like, no put bad comment. You feel your opinion in a responsible way. You don't put that. So now there. So because if you can't put bad comments, say shut up your mouth, enter, do this one, do that one not be mature now. So that's why I say and reach. Now good night, una bye bye. Now sleep well. Watch out.